What's up, guys? GNCRC back once again. Today I'm messing with the Panda hobby Tetra24. I noticed, guys, I remember seeing in the videos, a few people that put out the videos, that how long those axle stubs were. And I remember looking at their website and I remember seeing like a cover on there. I didn't remember seeing that. I remember there was something on there. But I noticed, after looking back in this box, I noticed that inside of the package with the tool and the batteries, I did notice that some more parts in here. I don't remember if anybody mentioned this on the videos or not. It's about 3 videos. But these little guys. But these little guys cover that area. You just screw them on. And you'll notice once they are on, it gives it a much cleaner look. So this is the side with it on. And this is the side with it off. On and off. They stick out a little bit so you can see them just a hair. But that gives it a much cleaner look. Much cleaner look, guys. Alright, that's a little tip. Because for me, I never really go in these bags. I never really ever use their batteries. And they do have some O-rings in here, which I did see that on a different video. Which those O-rings are for right here, the axle stubs. Alright, guys, till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.